So I got some smoked salmon, raw. Got my red ear sliders, right? Call them over for their dinner. Right? They like to be hand fed. You got enough. He just want to be greedy. Take it. What did the turtle at? Come on. You want some fish? Look, you already got some. Take what you got and go. Yeah, eat it. Eat it. He want to be greedy. But you got you some food. We're proportioning it out. We're not going to have nobody stuffing their face. You got what you got. Come on, look, the water's over there. Take it and go. Nope, you don't want to listen to me. You gotta have more, right? Gotta have the big prize. Here. Oh, snap. There he goes. He's on the run. He got a big piece. Back to his water. I gotta change his water out. That's how you call a red ear slider. I trained him to respond to tapping. So, I'll let your boy people. You ain't never seen nobody train a red ear slider like me. It's your boy KP from KP Reptiles. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, people. Smoked salmon on the menu today. That water's got to get cleaned out. And we doing it tonight, people. Right, and have them come back. And they finish that piece. That smoked salmon is really good. I even had a piece myself. Alright, people, so holla at your boy. We over here feeding the red ear sliders. And we're going to clean their water out pretty soon. So we're going to leave the rest here so they can crawl up here and crawl out of the water and feed, you know. So I let them know that they can walk out of the water and bask and all different stuff like that. So they know they have a big walking space whenever they have to walk up here and come get their food. Right? I don't really put the water in the food. I don't really put the food in the water bowl where the water is. I let them come get out and get it. Look at him working. Right? You hear me tapping. Take it back so you can eat in the pond. And he's off. Red ear sliders are cool, people. So holla at your boy, people. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It's your boy KP from KP Reptiles.